Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Well, good morning and welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks. We got some red oak logs on the mill again today. We're going to be sawing this. I'm going to see if I can get like two 6x6 posts. This log is like 13.5 feet long. So anyway, we're going to see if we can get some get two more posts out of this. The posts are going to be used to build my sawmill shed. Again, red oak is not my preferred wood. I've got to treat these, and I think I have a way that I can treat them and make them last for a long time. So we'll be doing that here a little bit later, but we need to get a couple more posts sawed up, and then I got to spend a little bit of time cleaning up, sawing some 2x out of the offcuts that I've got over here. So I'll be doing that, and then I've got to kind of level this off. This is a slight hill going down through here, and the actual footprint of my shed, I mentioned this in a previous video, so those that may be new, is probably going to be a 12 by 28. I may adjust that a little bit. But, so anyway, I got to get the sawing done. I'm going to move the mill out of the way, do some leveling, poke some holes in the ground in the upcoming videos, and start getting this shed built. So let's get this log sawed up. Wind's already picking up. That sawdust is going right in my face. I'll be glad when I get this shed built. I'm keeping an eye on my dog over here to make sure I don't fall into it. I better go around and check it. I think it's going to be okay. Matter of fact, I'm going to have you to watch it for me. You tell me if I'm getting close. I want y'all to keep an eye on this to make sure I don't saw this. If you see me sawing, do like this. Are you watching? I think it will miss. It should be 5 inches or so. Thank you for watching that. Looks like I had quite a bit of room, but I think what I want to do now, fire the tractor up, lift this one here off, and then I'll work on the bottom one. Well, that wasn't too bad. I got that lifted off. Now I need to actually flip it over and saw the bottom side and then square it up. We're getting close. My handle caught me. Well, that made another nice 2x6 here and a nice 6x6 here. So we'll get these off, and I've got the other half of the log to make. So it looks like I'm going to get another 6x6 out of that one, and probably a couple of more 2x6s. So these 2x6s are going to come in handy when we get ready to put the roof on. Blue, come here, buddy. Come here. Well, folks, I got two nice posts there, 6x6 posts. I got 3 2x6s over there, and again, I've got several more 2x6s in these offcuts that I'll be getting. Let me give you a close-up of this wood here, though. Hopefully you can see that. That is some pretty red oak. Nice 6x6 post. Very nice wood. Well, it's about time to take a lunch break, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 up here. Let me get these edged up. I got a visitor. What you doing, Cotton Top?
Oh, just finished up mowing.
It's getting warm, ain't it?
Yep.
Well,
Yep.
I just finished up edging those. I'm getting ready to set the offcuts off so we can cut the remaining pieces in the firewood and do a little bit of cleanup. So we're making progress.
Yep. Sure enough. Blue been helping you?
He's not been real helpful.
Hey, do you know what kind of shoes that they can make out of banana peels, you know, after you dry them and all?
What kind?
Slippers.
There's Cotton Top for you.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah, it is funny.
Hey, Cotton Top told me the other day, and she's probably gonna get after me for saying
I
that,
probably am.
but she's thinking about starting her own YouTube channel. So
We'll see.
we'll see. I'm trying to encourage her to do that if that's what she wants to do. But she doesn't like editing videos, though. So I don't know whether.
He's got something.
Blue, what you got, buddy?
Oh. Is that
What you got,
a
buddy?
mouse?
No, he's got a. I think it's a baby squirrel. The cats had it earlier. Now Blue's got it. Life on the homestead.
I know, but
Full circle.
I just hate to see little critters die and be hurt.
So
Are you sure that one's dead though?
yeah,
Okay.
that one is gone.
Going to see Jesus. Okay. Alrighty.
So tell me a little bit about that channel you're thinking about.
Well, it's just something that's been on my heart, about a 5-minute video twice a week, just to words of encouragement.
Words of encouragement.
And I'm going to call it Chats with Cotton Top.
Chats with Cotton Top. What do you think, folks?
Now you're just embarrassing me.
Now she's not chatting too good right now, so
Well,
I think I called her by surprise a little bit.
we did a little bit.
But anyway,
Yeah.
well, folks, I want to go ahead and get these unloaded and get cleaned up, get around for church here in a little bit. So a good time to bring this video to an end. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule for watching our videos. I hope you enjoy this. These red oak posts are going to come in handy when I get the shed build underway. This is the actual beginning of it. You got to have the lumber to build it before you can start building. So just want to say again, thanks for watching, and take care, and God bless. We'll see you again on the next Full Circle Ozarks.